The NutriBullet portable blender is built for convenience, allowing you to blend smoothies and drinks anywhere using its rechargeable battery. However, if the blender isn't charging properly, the issue is usually related to the charging cable, power source, or debris inside the charging port. Sometimes the device simply needs a reset to restore normal charging behavior. With a few quick checks, you can usually restore power and get your portable blender ready to use again. Try these. Step 1. Check the USB charging cable and adapter to ensure they are working properly and firmly connected. Step 2. Inspect the charging port on the blender for dust or debris and clean it gently with a dry cotton swab if necessary. Step 3. Plug the blender into a different power outlet or USB port to rule out a faulty power source. Step 4. Observe the battery indicator lights to confirm the charging process has started. Step 5. If the blender still won't charge, hold the power button for a few seconds to reset the device and reconnect the charger.